In part 1, we talk about simple upgrades like paint, lighting, and floors, right? Today, we are continuing with 5 more affordable updates that will make your home look fresh, clean, and beautifully current. Number 6. Replace outlets, switch plates, and thermostat. This one is subtle but powerful. Swap out old ivory outlets and switches for crisp white ones. And if you still have an old dial thermostat, upgrade to a modern digital one. It looks better and save energy too. Number 7. Replace faucets. Old faucets instantly date a bathroom or kitchen. Replacing them is an easy weekend project that gives your sink area a fresh, modern look. No plumber needed. Number 8. Add molding. Molding adds charm and depth to plain walls, whether it's crown molding, new window trim, or wainscoting. It adds architectural interest and elevates your entire space. Number 9. Change your hardware. Replacing old knobs and handles is one of the easiest upgrades ever. Choose black, brass, or brushed nickel finishes. They add personality and a fresh designer touch. Number 10. Update window treatments. Finally, update your window treatments. Remove heavy valances or old blinds and replace them with light, simple curtains that let natural light flow in. Instantly brighter, cleaner, and more inviting. And that's a part 2. 5 more easy upgrades anyone can do to modernize their home. Small changes really do make a big difference. Which updates are you planning to try first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch my previous videos for more simple home design ideas. Bye for now!